DAC bills na dapat matapos at lalatag na rin namin yung mga preparations natin for the impeachment on July 6. Tuloy-tuloy yung aming coordination with our intelligence clusters, enforcement agencies. We started the preparation na for yung physical preparation for the impeachment. We met with the PNP, the AFP, MMDA, Pasay LGU, Patinika, and other enforcement agencies. So in the next few weeks, we will focus also on the bill. So we will request the senators to already proceed with their hearings na basa na yung mga members ng committees, na elect na rin yung mga chairman at vice chairman ng committees, so they can already proceed with conducting a hearing para pagpasok natin tuloy-tuloy na yung mga discussions ng LEDAC bills and also other bills na priority measures ng ating mga senators. Yes, ma'am.
Pwedeng tumalon na sa impeachment.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Okay lang. Sige. Hello. Ayan. Sir, kahapon kasi sinabi ni Senator Ping na napag-usapan daw po ng majority na si Senator Cheese yung i-elect nyo, sir. How did you go about this decision?
I don't want to preempt yung presiding officer discussion. Pag-uusapan pa yan ng mga senators. At under the rules, it's the Senate President who will preside unless the Senate will decide otherwise. No? So I don't want to preempt our discussion. So magkakaroon kami ng discussion dyan.
Pero sir, tama ba? You are okay if ever yun yung maging decision ng majority na si Senator Cheese ang mag-preside?
Pag-uusapan muna. Pag-uusapan. I cannot preempt kung ano yung magiging discussion.
But kayo, sir, you want to preside?
We will discuss. No, we will discuss. But right now, as it stands in the rules, I will preside.
Ito yung naging answer. Kasi there are reports na parang yun yung naging usapan kay Senator Cheese kaya siya lumipat sa kampo po ninyo.
Well, i-discuss namin, no, as pag-uusapan yan ng mga senators. No? So again, I don't want to preempt the discussion, but we will have that discussion soon.
Sir, yung sa amendment, sir, ng impeachment rules, wala nang problema doon. Kahit was approved na during dun sa 12 lang yung quorum na the question that that's
Walang question doon. No? Walang question doon. Kasi may quorum naman eh. No? In fact, during that time, may quorum tayo and there's already established precedents na in the past, there are 8 instances wherein 12 senators lang ang determine ng quorum.
Pero sir, yung sa session yung kahapon, yung mga election ng committee chairmanships, parang may mga inulit kayo doon? Dahil ba to
Wala naman, yung mga binanggit na pangalan na chairmanship were only manifestations. Kasi nag-elect na in the past, tapos minanifest lang. And then, ang importante doon yung election ng mga members. Yun ang pinaka-importante.
hindi siya inulit dahil may 30
No,
number.
if you listen to the motion ni Senator Zubiri, it was a manifestation on the part of the chairman. And then the members ang election.
Sir, since may pending question before the Supreme Court, hindi kayo na mabother na later on kung magkaroon ng adverse ruling, will that affect?
Wala naman TRO. If the Supreme Court thinks that there is irreparable damage, mag-issue yan ng TRO. So wala naman TRO na in-issue. So in the absence of a TRO, tuloy-tuloy lang trabaho.
Pero I mean in the sir na magkaroon ng decision ng Supreme Court tapos the decision will affect the impeachment proceeding dahil nga based dun sa kung mag-iba kayo ng presiding officer based on that 12 member na or
Wala naman. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung trabaho, no? Wala namang in-issue na TRO.
Sir, good morning. Sir, may discussion na kayo, initial discussion with the minority. Kahapon, minanifest na nila kung sino yung minority leader
Yes.
nila. Nakausap na po ba kayo? Nag-text man lang ba sa inyo minority
may
leader?
mga nakausap ko yung mga pumunta kahapon, but in the next few days, we'll endeavor to talk to the different minority members. Like I said in the past, bukas naman yung ating pintuan, bukas yung ating tanggapan para makipag-usap. But I really appreciate yung mga minority members na nandoon yesterday. It gave me a chance to talk to them, to also set the direction na mag-uumpisa na ng trabaho. And in fact, yesterday, naging very lively yung debate doon sa anti-hospital detention bill. No? So, ganun yung mga discussion na gusto natin in the next few weeks. And then I had also conversations with Senator Lauren Regarda regarding yung ibang mga priority measures niya. Ang maganda rin na-appoint na 3 minority members as chairman. No? Si Senator Bongo as chairman of the Sports and Youth Committee, si Senator Mark Villar, chairman ng very important banking committee, one of the most important committees in the Senate. And then si Senator Camille Villar was appointed also sa government corporations. Importante rin yan. As we all know, kailangan rin na yung mga government corporations accountable din sa kanilang responsibilities. No?
Sir, dun sa issue ng quorum, ng conviction threshold, mas dumarami yung nagsasabi na baka dapat ibaba dahil hindi na nga 24 yung within the jurisdictional
Well, my
power.
opinion, it's malinaw ang constitution. No, 3/4 of all members. So that's is 16. So in my opinion, we have to follow the constitution. No, and sorry, 2/3. Sorry, correction. 2/3 of all members. No, very clear ang constitution dyan.
Pero pag-uusapan nyo yan, sir. Is the Senate Impeachment Court open to probably a motion para ibaba ang threshold?
Well, I cannot predict kung anong mga I cannot predict kung ano yung mga issues na lalabas doon, but as far as I'm concerned, I will uphold what is written in the Constitution.
Sir, sorry, sa segue lang ako sa the Senate was under attack. Kahapon ng DOJ nag-press con, sabi po ni Secretary Vida, the Senate was not under attack. Kayo po, ano ang
I have to
tingin
read
niyo
the
doon?
final report. No? Ano ba yung context nung kanyang statement na yun? Alam ko very sensitive yung issue na yan, so I would read the final report. I'm not very sure kung yung statement na yan is out of a partial report or out of their discussion, but it's important for me na makita na yung final report. No? I've discussed this with members of the OSAHA. Nag-meeting na kami. Very sensitive topic yan sa kanila, no? Kasi sila directly involved. So I don't want to discuss anything beyond what is coming out of that official report, in fairness to OSAA, no, and in fairness to the people involved rin.
Sir, up to what extent will the Senate cooperate with DOJ, with NBI? Kasi sabi po ng DOJ, papapanagutin yung mga tumulong daw kay Senator De La Rosa to escape the Senate.
Ang pinaka-importante sa akin, dapat independent at impartial investigation. No? That's the most important. That's why sabi ko, kasama dapat sa investigation ang Senado. No? Kasi nga, dito nangyari at involve yung mga personnel ng Senado. But having said that, it has to be impartial. No? At kung merong mga personalities na nagkamali o personalities na merong direct involvement dito sa nangyari, then kailangan may accountability. No? So we will exact accountability as well. But having said that, no, I need to read the final report para alam natin yung personalities involved.
Sir,
Cooperating, yes, we will be cooperating.
pushing it further, sir, yung issue nung sa threshold. We understand, sir, na gusto nyo masunod yung sa Constitution. Pero, sir, kasi yung ngayon may issue ng warm bodies na available during the impeachment trial. So, are you in any way open to discussing, sir, na ibaba talaga yung threshold? Kasi, sorry, sir, pero may possibility pa kasi
We cannot preempt kung anong sasabihin ng prosecution. We cannot also preempt kung anong sasabihin ng ibang mga senators. I can only state my opinion, no, on the matter.
That even if lower yung number ng warm bodies, you will adhere to 2/3 of 24?
Ako, at least my opinion, no. I don't know with the others. Hindi ko pa sila nakakausap on that matter, no.
Sir, isa na lang. Sir, gaano kahalaga na makausap niyo sa Senator Alan Cayetano para sa inyong Senate presidency, knowing na siya yung pinalitan nyo at para sa mas united na
Well, ginawa ko kahapon, I reached out to all of the members, including the minority members on the floor. Kinausap ko si Senator Marcoleta, Senator Amy Marcos, Senator Lauren Legarda, Senator Pia. We had a very long discussion. Si Senator Bongo, yesterday, kausap ko rin siya. And that's why nga na-elect siya kaagad as chairman of the Youth and Sports Committee, no? Because yun naman yung kanyang advocacy. So, yan naman ang gusto natin, no? Makabalik sa trabaho. And even si Senator Joel yesterday, very clear naman yung kanyang direction is to go back to work. In fact, siya yung pinaka-productive yesterday on the floor, no? Sponsoring bills, sponsoring resolutions, and yan talaga ang trabaho namin, no? We have to go back to our normal programming.
you plan to reach out to Senator?
Yes, I plan to reach out to all. No, to all. After I've talked to Senator Camille Villar yesterday, we talked also. Kaya rin na-appoint siya as chairman of the Government Corporations Committee, which is a very important committee dahil we're also looking at implementing the optimization bill and kasama doon ang GOCCs.
Do you see the need for a caucus, especially dahil malapit na
Yes, dadating rin tayo dan. In fact, we will have an all-senator caucus before the impeachment.
Sir,
Hindi pa nagko-congratulate si Kanan. Okay?
Personally, wala pa, no. Wala pa naman, but yung mga ibang senators like si Senator Lauren, nag-usap kami kahapon at maganda naman usapan namin.
Anything to that, sir?
Wag na natin lagyan.
Senwin, may mga lilipat pa bang mga ibang senador papunta po sa majority? Sino-sino po kaya?
I cannot preempt rin kung ano yung kanilang magiging decision. But one thing for sure, sa mga nakausap ko, even in the minority, they want to go back to work. No? And si Senator Camille Villar, isa siya sa mga gusto nang to buckle down to work.
But sir, what do you make of the absence ng ilang minority senators kahapon sa session, the special session?
Sorry, galing ako gym eh. Yeah, nauhaw. Hindi ako nakainom. Para mawala yung stress. Oo. What's the question again?
Yung absence sir nila kahapon.
Well, I don't want to put any meaning to that. Even before the special session, nanawagan tayo na dumalo yung ating mga kasamahan dahil marami tayong mga importanteng measures na pag-uusapan doon. I'm very happy yesterday na yung CA na-approve yung 85 na DFA personnel and 5 generals. In fact, yung 85 was pahabol yun. No, I have to thank si Senator Ping Lacson kasi siya talaga nag-push yun. Yung original na direction was the 5 generals, but si Senator Ping Lacson pinush na yun, malagay sa agenda kasi ang DFA, kung hindi mako-confirm mga ambassadors natin at ibang mga DFA personnel, hindi magkakaroon tayo ng representation sa ibang bansa. Yung iba naman hindi ma-promote, no? So na-stall yung promotions tsaka na-stall yung mga diplomats natin sa iba't ibang embahada, no? So I thank Senator Lacson for making sure that those 85 DFA personnels were confirmed, no?
And speaking with your election po kahapon, what do you think should happen with sa pending petition po nila Senator Alan questioning the June 3 session?
Well, naka-file na yun sa Supreme Court, no? And nasa kamay na yan ng Supreme Court on how to deal with it, no? So we'll leave it with them.
But should it be mooted, sir, with your election as SP?
I cannot predict what the Supreme Court will come out with, no? But the Supreme Court is it's a very fair body. Traditionally, it respected the processes of the Senate. So we'll leave it with them.
Sir, are you confident that you will be able to hold on to your position until 2028?
Kakaupo ko pa lang, yun na kaagad din. Kasi ako naman, honestly, I serve at the pleasure of our colleagues, no? Hindi naman ako, kumbaga, nasa kanila yun, no? Sa mga colleagues natin. And like kilala niyo naman ako, whether Senate President or not, I will work for the Filipino people.
Sir, kasi ang ano sir ng public, kung kakayanin pa ba after ng matapos yung binanggit nyo nga, Senate Flix, then another episode or another season ng Senate Flix na naman in the coming months?
Ako ang sentimento na nakukuha ko sa ating mga kasamahan, gusto na nila rin bumalik sa trabaho eh, no? Stressful din nangyari sa lahat eh, hindi lang naman sa akin or sa ilan na senator, lahat na stress eh, no? So they want to go back to the regular programming, which is legislation, debates, resolutions. Hindi kami magkaka-agree on many things, hindi rin kami we will not have the same position on many things. Pero ang position namin is certain na lahat kami gusto namin magtrabaho na. Hindi man kami mag-agree on certain bills and resolutions, but at least napagdebatihan natin at napag-usapan natin. No? At kung maaprubahan, mas maganda. Kung hindi, then that's legislation eh. Legislation is hindi lahat ng gusto mo nakukuha rin eh. No? So at least napag-uusapan, napagdedebatihan.
Sir, will the committees be able to hold hearings during
Yes,
the break?
they can.
Kahit na wala pa po yung ibang
Ang quorum
members
is
of
only
the-
one. No? So mayroon silang isang senator, pwede na silang mag-hold ng hearings.
Kahit wala pa pong assignment ng yung mga minority members.
Pwede na sila mag-hold ng hearings. They can get information, they can conduct pwede na sila mag-organization rin, pwede na. No?
Sir, meron bang effort on the part of the majority na madagdagan po yung 13? Kasi considering the fact na medyo manipis pa.
Of course, we're very open. No? The majority is very open to welcoming other senators to join the group. Ang aming layunin ay magtrabaho to put the Senate back on track in terms of working on important bills. Ang priority ko ngayon, LEDAC. In fact, later on, I have a meeting with the team to narrow down the LEDAC bills. No? Kasi we only have 2 years to go eh. Ang cycle ng isang bill is more or less 1.5 years to 2 years. Alam niyo naman yan. No? So we barely have enough time to finish the bills. So kailangan talaga, kaya yesterday, pag may bills, talagang I talked to the chairman, I talked to the people who will debate para makita natin kung ano yung pwede nating solution and matapos yung bill.
Pero sir, sa style ng leadership nyo, meron bang in-expect na major changes?
Gusto ko yung style ni Senator Cheese. No, malinis yung banyo, malinis yung garden, no, mabango yung Senate. In fact, kausap ko na nga siya eh, hiningi ko saan yung supplier niya ng pabango eh, no. So but ang tao kasi lalo na mga bisita natin, hindi naman nila alam yung rules of the Senate eh. Ang first impression nila, malinis ba yung banyo, maganda ba yung garden, maliwanag ba yung Senado. So those are the basics. Nung mayor ako, alam niya, nung mayor ako, ganun rin ginagawa ko kasi image ng Senado yan eh, no? So that's one thing I learned from SP Cheese, na importante yung image. It might be trivial, no? Parang walang hindi importante, pero in the eyes of the public, importante yan.
SP, in case na ma-elect nga si Sen. Cheese na presiding officer ng impeachment court, bakit okay lang sa'yo? Sinasabi naman ng mga kasama mo na competent.
Let's wait, guys, kasi pag-uusapan pa yan. No? Let's wait. It will be a discussion.
Pero sir, yung BICAM ng budget mananatiling talagang open sa public?
Yes, I talked to Senator JV this morning at napag-usapan na namin yung budget process. The BICAM will remain open. The documents will be uploaded like last time. Yung mga transcripts uploaded rin real time. So lahat yan ipapatuloy ni Senator JV.
Sir, kahapon po nag-post si Congressman Pulong Duterte. Sabi niya, may info siya na naglabas na raw may in-issue na warrant ang ICC for Senator Bongo. If ever lang, sir, na totoo yun, and Senator Bongo will seek the help of the Senate, can you expect the same, yung binigay kay Senator Bato na protective custody?
Wala pa akong nakukuhang information na ganun. So it's very difficult to again, it's very difficult to preempt. No? Let's wait kung totoo nga yung information na yun. No?
So, sa ngayon, sir, di ba kasi parang sinasabi nila, kapag may session, hindi pwedeng mag-aresto sa Senate. May ganun mga asahan si Senator
ayoko magsalita in advance kung wala pang information. Mahirap, no? Mahirap. The situations vary, no? So it's very hard to answer and then iba naman yung situation. No?
Sir, yung kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada, di ba nagbabaning Sandigan Bayan ng 90 days suspension? Ang Senate po ba kailangan pa yun i-approve o automatic na yun?
Okay. Yung kung ano yung itong 90 days suspension hindi bago ito, no? Nangyari na ito in the past, no, with other senators. So kung ano yung naging practice in the past and ano ang legal practice in the past, yun ang susundan natin. In this case, I haven't, kasi naging busy sa pre-trial, no? So I haven't really sat down with our legal team on how to go about it. But ang masasabi ko lang, kung ano yung legal practice in the past, yun ang susundan natin. I'll give you a straight answer pag nakausap ko na yung legal team.
Kapag sir, separate pa ba yung sa impeachment, yung role niya as a senator judge sa impeachment?
From what I understand, pag suspended ka as a senator, kasama na rin dun yung being a senator judge. No? So the suspension is to the senator and it carries with it all the responsibilities as a senator, including becoming a senator judge.
Pero sir, natanggap niyo na po.
Or considered pa rin siya as a senator?
You have to distinguish determination of the quorum and to convict. No? These are two separate things. Determination of the quorum is iba yun, no? And determination to convict iba rin yun, no?
Simple sir, majority yung sana, quorum. Simple majority, sir.
Ang quorum, yes, simple majority. Yeah.
Which is 13.
Yeah. Okay, guys, meron pa?
Yes, sir. Sir, naisip mo po ba na sana better time yung pagkaka-assume mo as SP? Kasi ang dami pong issue. May mga senator na tapos daw yung bago ka ma-elect talaga, ang daming issues. Sana, parang naisip mo ba na sana mas better times na parang...
Sana talaga. Lahat naman tayo gusto natin to assume a role during better times, 'di ba? Lahat naman tayo, pero nasa Diyos 'yan eh. No, ito yung time na ibinigay sa akin ng Diyos eh. So I just have to accept His will. No, so I wish it was a better time, a more harmonious, a more less stressful, but that wasn't the time given to me. So I just have to accept that. No?
Heightened security alert tayo po.
Yes.
Kapag magkakonduct po ng hearings ang committees, paano po ang magiging protocol?
They will have to submit the guest list ahead of time. And then sa OSAA para alam ng OSAA sino yung mga resource persons ng iba't ibang committees. Okay naman eh. I monitor the process. Okay naman. Very smooth naman yung ganun. So we will request the chairman or the COMSEC, the committee secretaries, to submit the guest list ahead of time, no, para maabangan sa ano. But we will also, ang plano namin ni Sergeant at Arms is every end of the week, tomorrow actually, we'll have a security briefing with the PNP and other agencies para malaman namin yung status for the next week. No? So we'll take this week by week.
Sir, more...
Ngayon walang visitors po ng...
Wala muna, except kung merong written request, no? Kagaya sa pre-trial, yung mga, in fairness sa mga senators, they sent us a list of names na gusto nilang pumasok, no? So I appreciate the senators for cooperating with the protocols, no?
More on the impeachment lang. How are you preparing logistically, sir?
Yes.
Part of the
That is the biggest challenge, the logistics portion, kasi maliit ang Senado eh. Ang pinaka problema natin dito, space, no? That is the biggest problem. Ang prosecution, gusto nila may sarili silang huddle room, may sarili silang media room, meron silang sariling staff. Ang defense, ganun rin. Of course, yung senators, may sarili ring mga requirements. So it's very difficult. And then under the Constitution, dapat open pa to the public. So that's another security hazard. So we need to make do with our limited space. Kaya hingi nga ako ng pag-unawa sa inyo na yung movements will be very difficult, the space will be very difficult, but we'll try our best to accommodate everyone. No? Ang importante naman, safe, maayos, at orderly conduct ng impeachment.
magkano nilalang budget, sir, for the
Sorry?
How much are we allotting?
Wala pa kaming final number but not so much, no, kasi dito lang naman yung gaganapin. Ang nakikita ko lang added cost yan will be probably additional security or and food, parang kanya-kanyang dala eh. Alam ko eh, kanya-kanyang dala, no? So not so much kasi ang maganda yung venue dito eh. So hindi naman magiging magastos 'yun.
Bakit po muna yung
Kinausap for the impeachment preps ay AFP, PNP.
Kasi may Marines tayo dito. We have a Marine contingent. We have 20 plus Marine contingent here. So dapat coordinated. No? So kahapon, if may nagpicture yata kahapon. So hindi lang naman Marines, andun ng MMDA, Pasay LGU, NICA, PNP, AFP, sino pa ba? BFP, Fire. No? So marami sila.
Yun nga, sir. Bakit security forces, sir, yung kinausap nyo for impeachment preps?
Well, we have to admit that the personalities involved are political entities or political personalities. So we have to make sure na covered ang security aspect nitong impeachment proceedings, no. And like I said, very limited in space. Ang constraint kasi dito space eh, no. So inuna na namin i-meet itong logistics and security aspects.
Isa na lang, pwede pa comment lang sa sinabi ni Senator Ping Lacson na umabot daw ng 700 million yung nalustay in the past weeks. Dahil doon sa mga nangyaring kaguluhan, walang nag-boycott sa session, walang hearings, and paano nyo po babawiin yung lost time and yung
Well, kinumpute namin ang budget ng Senado per day is about 24 million, no? Almost 25 million, no? Just to operate the Senate. The Senate is a big institution. We have 2,000 people, may isang building tayo. So if you count those days, those are the days na naging unproductive, no? Kaya nasabi ko nga in one of our press cons na sayang yung pera na ibinibayad ng tao sa sweldo, sa kuryente. So babawiin naman natin yan in the next few days, no? So we'll back down to work, no?
Sir, kung hindi na Senate Briggs, ano nang episode tayo ngayon?
season?
Back to work season.
Sir, ano lang po yung magiging agenda ng
Hindi back to school, back to work.
agenda ng caucus before the impeachment, sir?
Yes?
Ano lang po yung magiging agenda ng all members caucus before the impeachment?
Marami. Yung security, yung schedule, yung outcome ng pre-trial conference. Yung pre-trial conference kasi we narrow down also the time. So gaano kahaba, no? So and then it will narrow down also the day itself, kung sinong testigo ang ipepresenta, anong ebidensya ipepresenta. So lahat yan on a per day nakalatag na yan, no? So we will discuss that with the senators.
Do you also see it as a way para ma-ensure that all's well after the dispute? Yung caucus na yun.
Yes, what do you mean? All's well.
Na okay na po lahat yung mga senators after the dispute.
Yeah, I like I said, no, lahat naman ay sa mga nakakausap po, generally the senators just want to go back to work. And itong impeachment is part of our responsibilities under the Constitution. So it's part of our work, no.
SP,
Kaya
sir.
magiging dalawa yung trabaho namin, impeachment and legislation.
Kanina pa kayo. The SP, yung parking ng senators, bakit sarado? Interestingly, bakit po hindi pinapasokan?
Yung sa likod kasi walang x-ray machines, tsaka walang metal detector, no? So pinag-aaralan pa how to secure that entry. Unlike dito sa harap, may x-ray machines, may metal detector, at mayroong registration ng guest, no? Sa likod wala eh. So we're studying, OSA is studying kung how to secure that area. So for now, close siya. Tingnan namin kung kayang maglagay ng mga metal detectors and x-ray para lahat ng dumadaan doon. Meron ding dadaan din sa same security protocols. In other, marami kami napuntahan na halls of parliament, napaka-strict. Kahit na Speaker of the House or Leader of the Parliament dumadaan sa security protocols. No? So, because marami tayong pinag-uusapan na very sensitive. No? So, dapat lahat dumadaan sa the same security protocols.
Meron na ba kasing concern? Kasi ang nagpa-park lang naman ho doon senators and siguro ilang chief of staff.
Oo.
Meron bang concern na pwedeng magdala ng baril or any contraband?
Well, pinag-aaralan namin how to secure all ingress and ingress. No, pinapag-aralan natin. Dapat pagpasok ng building safe regardless kung sino ang papasok. No?
And then sir, yung sa report nga ng DOJ na the Senate was not under attack noong May 13, binalak ko kasi during the Cayetano Senate presidency, binalak nila mag-hold ng hearings, magkaroon ng investigation ng sarili ang Senate. Magkakaroon po ba ngayon? And may necessity ba
Hindi
for
namin
that?
napag-usapan but based sa mga kausap kong senators, mas maganda iiwan na lang sa DOJ dahil independent. No? So we cannot investigate ourselves. No? So in the next few days, we'll coordinate with the DOJ on that report. No? Wala.
How would you describe your leadership style as a secretary? We've heard about consensus building, about being straight, discipline.
Well, I think most of you have witnessed my last 10 years here. Pati TWG, pinupuntahan natin. No? Kasi ako para sa akin, TWG mas importante sa hearing kasi doon yung nitty-gritty ng bill making. So, but I enjoy it. No? Kasi natututo ako at nakikilala ko yung mga resource persons. So, I think if I describe it, kayo na lang mag-describe, no? I think mahirap self-serving kasi pag di-describe ko sarili ko eh. Oo. Okay? Last. Wala pa. We'll wait for the pre-trial conference. We'll be discussing that. Wala pa. Last si Tribune.
Pag-uusap po ba within the majority to file a motion to the Sandigan Bayan to lift the suspension of Senator Jinggoy because Senator Lacson over the weekend mentioned that he cited the pronouncement of Ombudsman Boying Rimulya na at least 9 senators are at risk to be subjected to a probe. So sabi niya, it could possibly derail the impeachment if lahat yon ay masususpend.
Those are just parang if I'm not mistaken, statements, hypothetical scenarios and statements. So mahirap mag-react to those type of comments kung hindi pa naman nangyayari.
But
And we cannot file to the Sandigan because we're not